Hey everybody, it's me, your girl, Lady Kairyly. Today I am back with another video for you guys, for you, and you, and you, and you. Alright, let's get into this. I'm about to make something so special for y'all. Yes, I like creating little things. So I was going to make baby safe paint. So let's get into this now. Hey everybody, it's Lady Kairyly, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me. Turn on that post notifications bell on right now. New videos out Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Alright guys, so I'm going to be making some baby safe paint. Ingredients is so simple. You can use flour or whatever, not whatever. You can use this right here. It is rice cereal, baby cereal, and this is not even that expensive, guys. It's like $2, $1 something, I think. It's not that expensive. What you're gonna need is food coloring as well. Food coloring. You're gonna need water, free.com, free. Well, it's not free because you gotta still pay for your water. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna make this baby safe paint. Let's get into this right now. I already poured the rice cereal into, oh my gosh, what happened to my drawer? Let's just keep going. All right, half a cup of the rice cereal into a bowl. You're gonna need 3/4 of water, so I'm gonna go get the water right now, guys. I'm gonna get this water. Alright guys, I'm getting the water. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, this water's taking forever. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm back with the water. Alright, I'm pouring the water in here. I better get this right, guys, because this has to be it's baby safe paint. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of water. I really hope this is right. Look at this. Oh my god. You guys can't see. All right, this is, I guess, how it is looking right now, guys. Oh my god. All right, so now the next step, I'm gonna add blue because blue is my favorite color, and we're gonna put this in here. I don't know how many drops it's supposed to be, so we're just gonna make it as blue as possible, I guess, because it's baby safe paint. My babies can play with this. I don't encourage them to eat this, but it is a learning process with them to practice to get to the next step on how to use regular paint. So you can do it with food processors. Oh my gosh, it's turning blue, y'all. Look at this, look at this. Okay, let's not get it out of my hand. It looks so cute. You can encourage them to practice with this paint for you, so they don't know not to put the other paint in their mouth. But if they do put this in their mouth, it's safe. It might not taste good, but it's baby safe paint, guys. I'm pretty sure you can add more water to this, so you can, it can be 3/4, that's what I put here, or to 1 cup. Whatever water consistency or how smooth you would like it, that is the goal, I guess, for you. But just whisk it. You are looking at this right now. Let's go into this. Look how beautiful this color is. You got your baby safe paint right here, guys. So blue and true, like I told you. Look at this. This is awesome. I should get a paper so I can see if it does it. I'm gonna get one of my boys to see. My oldest does not like touching this, so he's gonna want to use an actual paintbrush because he has sensory processing disorder, guys, and he doesn't like anything that feels like this. My other child, Caden, he'll eat anything, he'll touch anything, anything. He will put that thing in his mouth, he'll touch this. So like I said, baby safe paint. We're gonna get one of my kids to try this, not to try it in their mouth, but I'm gonna try with my oldest to see. I'm gonna try it myself as well. So let's get this paint started. All Alright, so we're gonna try the paint, and I should have red. I should have separated the colors a little, not the colors, but the rice cereal into little separate bowls so you can put individually different colors. I wasn't thinking about that. So now we just have a bunch of blue. So, whatever, it's fine. Right now he's gonna try the paint, guys.
Yellow.
Yellow, you happy?
Yellow.
All right,
Yellow.
look. You wanna dip it in?
Yellow. Yellow.
Look. Wow.
Me.
Look, here.
Me.
All right, Lady. Right here, the paper. Let's see. Oh my God, it got on my arm. Okay. Look, wow.
Me.
Green, you can use green in a second. Look, let's see. Wow, isn't that cool?
Me.
Green, yeah, that's green.
Okay.
Do you want to add the green in there? I don't know. I got blue on my arm, look at that. Green, so that is green. We can do that in a second. I'm gonna continue painting with him, guys, but that is, I don't want to eat that. I don't want to eat. Look. Let's just take this off my arm. Look. He's like, what is that? See, I just put it in his mouth. It's baby safe paint. It's totally fine. It's rice cereal for him. Bye, green. Oh, got it in my shirt. Yellow. So that is how, like I said, you make baby safe paint. I will be putting the how to make it, the instructions, in the link down below or in the comments or whatever. It's gonna be, I'm gonna put him down. It's gonna be there for you guys so you guys can know how to make it, and just in case you guys forget. He's having the time of his life right now with this baby safe paint. Look at him. I can't. Good thing I can wash it off the floor. Look at him. I told you guys he doesn't like wet textures. Look, okay, all right. You haven't. Wow, we got a bunch of blue baby safe paint. Okay, and there you have it, folks. Baby safe blue paint. And thank you guys so much for watching on how to make baby safe paint with me, your girl, Lady Kairyly. Yes, my baby, you hear him in the background. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share away and tell your peoples about me, and hit that post notifications bell, guys, so you can watch videos with me all the time. And have a good day, have a good night, whatever you're doing. Bye-bye.